Good morning, students. So today we are here to discuss about the syllabus of Sainik-Navodya and RMS coaching, RMS exam. So today we are discussing about reasoning. So in reasoning, reasoning subject is there in Sainik, RMS and Navodaya also. So in Sainik, there are 25 questions and each carries 2 marks. So total 50 marks for reasoning. Only for reasoning, 25 questions, 50 marks. And for RMS, there are 50 questions in reasoning and each carries 1 mark. So total 50 marks. In Navodaya, there is reasoning, but it is called as mental ability. So in Navodaya, there are all figures only. So 40 figures will be there. Each carries 1.25 marks, total 50 marks. So this is the marks and questions for the reasoning, only for reasoning subject. Sainik 25 questions, 50 marks. RMS 50 questions, 50 marks. Navodaya 40 questions, 50 marks. So in Navodaya particularly, only non-verbal will be there. Non-verbal means only figures. So 10 topics figure will be given to you. 10 topics figures means 40 figures will be given to you. In Sainik and RMS, both verbal and non-verbal reasoning also there. So each in Sainik 25 questions, RMS 50 questions will be there. Next, syllabus. So there are common syllabus for Navodaya, Sainik and RMS also. But in Navodaya, there is only figures, figure analogy. So first analogy section. In analogy section, alphabet analogy is for Sainik. Analogy. This is figure analogy for Navodaya. In analogy, there are alphabet analogy, figure analogy, and also number analogy, word analogy. So alphabet analogy is for Sainik, analogy, figure analogy is for Navodaya, analogy test is for RMS. In this number analogy, figure analogy, and also word analogy and alphabet analogy also there. Number analogy is for Sainik, relationship of analogy. So relationship of analogy or analogy, both are the same, and this topic is for RMS. Word analogy is for Sainik. So in this we observe that for analogy, so figure analogy, figure analogy is common for three: Sainik, Navodaya, and also RMS. But alphabet analogy, number analogy, and word analogy is only for Sainik and RMS. Okay, now next topic is assertion and reason. So this assertion and reason is only for Sainik. This topic will not be for Navodaya and also for RMS. This topic is only for Sainik students. Next, blood relation. So this blood relation topic is for both Sainik and RMS, but not for Navodaya. This is the verbal reasoning topic. So this topic is for Sainik and also relationship. So in relationship, blood relations also it can be included. So this topic is for Sainik and RMS, but not for this is verbal. So for Navodaya, there is only non-verbal reasoning. There is no verbal reasoning. So this topic is meant for only Sainik and RMS. Next, calendar. So this calendar topic also is for Sainik. This topic is not belong to RMS and also not belong to Navodaya. This is a verbal topic. Calendar is a verbal topic, and this is belongs to only the Sainik entrance exam. Next, classification. So in classification, there are four types: number classification, word classification, letter classification, and also figure classification. So letter classification is for Sainik, number classification is for Sainik, and same class or classification, both are the same, and it is for RMS. Word classification is for Sainik, and here figure classification also there. It is non-verbal reasoning is for Navodaya. So for Navodaya also classification there, but only figure classification is there for Navodaya. Figure classification is there for Sainik and RMS also. So next topic is clock and time. This topic also is for Sainik only. This is the verbal reasoning. So this topic is for Sainik students. This topic will not be for Navodaya and RMS also. Next, coding and decoding. So in coding and decoding, there are three types. letter coding, number coding, and also symbol coding. And mainly you have letter coding and number coding only. So letter coding and number coding is for Sainik, and full coding and decoding topic is for RMS also. So both Sainik and Navodaya students, sorry, Sainik and RMS students has coding and decoding topic. This is also a verbal topic, so Navodaya students won't have this topic. Next, logical reasoning. So in logical reasoning, there are few models: confusing instructions, counting figures, decision making, dice. So in this topic, we should think and answer the questions. These are non-verbal reasoning, but these topics are not there in Navodaya. So confusing instructions are there for only RMS exam. Counting figures is there for Sainik exam. Decision making is there for RMS, and dice is there for only Sainik. So in these topics, counting figures and dice, these both are non-verbal but not for Navodaya. These two topics are for Sainik exam, and confusing instructions, decision making. These two topics is for RMS students. Next, dictionary order and arrangement. So in this we should arrange the words in dictionary order or logical order. So this topic is there for Sainik, and as usual RMS also. This is a verbal topic. So RMS and Sainik exam has this topic in their syllabus. Directions and sense. So directions topic, this topic is for both Sainik and RMS also. This is a verbal. So Navodaya students does not have this topic. Next, spatial reasoning. So this spatial reasoning is non-verbal reasoning topic. So this is in these embedded figures, mirror and water images, mirror image, space visualization. So these all topics are included in this spatial reasoning. Embedded figures is there for both Navodaya and also for Sainik. Next, mirror and water image. So mirror and water image are there for Sainik. In this, mirror image is there for Navodaya. And space visualization. So space visualization topic is there for Navodaya only. Sainik students does not have this space visualization topic. Embedded figure for both Navodaya and Sainik also. Mirror and water for Sainik. Only mirror image for Navodaya. Water images are not there for Navodaya students. Space visualization is there for only Navodaya. This topic is not there for Sainik exam. Next, odd man out. So odd man out or classification, both are the same. Odd man out and figure classification is there for Navodaya, and figure matching is there for Navodaya. Figure series completion is there for both Navodaya and also Sainik. Geometrical figure completion. So in this circle, square, rectangle, triangle, all geometrical figures are there. We should complete them with their other parts. So this topic is only for Navodaya. So in this, odd man out means figure classification. Both are the same. We can call as odd man out or we can call as figure classification. Both topics are there for both Navodaya and also Sainik. Next, figure matching. Figure matching is only for Navodaya, not for Sainik and RMS. Figure series completion. So this figure series completion is for both Navodaya and also Sainik. Sainik students also have this figure series completion. Next, geometrical figure completion. This geometrical figure completion is only for Navodaya, not for Sainik. These all topics are non-verbal reasoning topics. Next, non-verbal reasoning. So in this non-verbal reasoning, image, jumbled spellings, assigning correct mathematical signs, mathematical operations, missing terms, and non-verbal reasoning. So these in this there are verbal reasoning also and non-verbal reasoning also. So image is a non-verbal reasoning. So this is in the RMS exam. Next, jumble spelling. This is also this is verbal reasoning. This is there for RMS. And assigning correct mathematical signs and mathematical operations. These both topics are verbal reasoning, and this is there for both RMS and also Sainik. Missing terms. Missing terms is there for both Sainik and RMS also. Non-verbal reasoning. Non-verbal reasoning is there for both Sainik and also Navodaya. So these are the topics. Image is for RMS. Jumbled spelling. So jumbled spelling is a verbal topic. It is there for only RMS. Assigning correct mathematical sign or mathematical operations. Both the topics are same and there for RMS and also for Sainik. Next, missing terms. Missing terms and non-verbal reasoning. So missing terms is there for only Sainik and non-verbal reasoning is there for both Sainik and also Navodaya. Puzzles and series. So in before section we discussed that missing terms. So missing terms and also puzzles both are nearly same topic and this is both for RMS and also Sainik also. So puncture hole pattern or paper folding and unfolding. So puncture hole pattern and paper folding and unfolding. This topic is there for Navodaya and Sainik. Puzzle. Puzzle, as I said, puzzle and missing terms, both are nearly the same topics. So this is there for RMS as usual, Sainik also. Alphabet series. Series are of four types. Three types: number series, letter series, and figure. Topics are verbal reasoning. Sequence. Sequence also is called as series only. Sequence and series both are the same topics. Names are different, but topics are same. Sequence or series both are the same. So this is there for Sainik and RMS also. Next, paper folding and cutting. So here punctured hole pattern and paper folding and cutting. Both are the same topics and both are there in Navodaya and Sainik also. Next, situational reasoning. Situational reasoning. In this, there are three topics: sitting arrangement, ranking, and Venn diagrams. The Venn diagrams are the non-verbal reasoning topic, but this is only for Sainik, not for Navodaya. Sitting arrangement. Sitting arrangement and ranking. These two topics are related for only Sainik. And these two topics will come in RMS also, but sometimes it will come and sometimes it won't come. Venn diagrams is a non-verbal, but it is there in Sainik. These three topics are there for only Sainik exam. Next, verbal and non-verbal integration, verbal and non-verbal. So, verbal and non-verbal reasoning both are there in Sainik and also RMS, but only non-verbal reasoning is there for Navodaya only. So, 10 topics are there for Navodaya. Each for each topic there are 4 questions. Total 40 questions will come for Navodaya exam, and each question carries 1.25 marks and total 50 marks for Navodaya. In RMS and Sainik combined it will come reasoning, verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning, both it will come. So each question for RMS, each question carries 1 mark, 50 questions, 50 marks. For Sainik exam, 25 questions, verbal and non-verbal reasoning will be there for exam. Each question carries 2 marks, 25 questions, 50 marks will come. So, reasoning is very easy topic for RMS or Navodaya or Sainik. So these 3 exams also we can write easily reasoning. So we can practice non-verbal reasoning or we can practice verbal reasoning. Both are the same. means both are easy. We can easily practice verbal or non-verbal reasoning for Navodaya or for Sainik. Both some students will prepare for both Sainik and for Navodaya and for RMS also. So don't worry. Some 2-3 topics will be differ from each exam, but all the topics are same for 3 exams also. But mainly non-verbal reasoning is only for Navodaya. Mainly non-verbal reasoning 40 questions. So you should consider only Navodaya students should concentrate on non-verbal reasoning mainly. So this is the syllabus for RMS, Sainik and Navodaya. Thank you.